Titans, welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video, I'll show you how to add additional security for Salesforce users when generating document using Titan. So this additional layer of security is going to be their Salesforce token in the URL, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's go ahead and create a form for us. Do first name, last name, something very simple, and then we'll just do email like this. Okay, so now we're done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Salesforce Integration and let's do a get. Add object, we'll read from contact. Actually, before I do that, I need to add my parameter, which is going to be my hidden field. And we'll call this contact ID. Now if we go to the get, add object, contact, nope, not this, bring contact data. And then I'll set a condition to be contact ID equals contact ID. And we'll bring back first name, last name, and email. Very simple. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and set up my document, which we are going to generate, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a very basic PDF. So we'll use a GDPR consent form for now. And then here, I'm just going to go ahead and insert the fields. We'll only use the 3 just to speed up the process. So we'll do first name, we'll do last name, and then we'll do email. Like this. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to go ahead and enable my Salesforce button. And I'm going to go ahead and configure. I'm going to choose from object contact, that's where the button will execute, and I'm going to map it to my contact ID hidden field. And then you can obviously enable this in classic or lightning. I've enabled it in lightning. Then I'll click apply, 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 and then I think we should be good to go. So let's go to contact. And then if we go to contact now, click FT contact, there is my form, which is called token demo. Okay. Now, if I view and download it, you can see that the parameter has been passed through. Okay, so this is the parameter of their contact ID, and this is the data. This is fine. However, this can be modified. It is vulnerable, and someone can hack it. So, in order to add extra layer of security on top of it, what we've done is you've got something called, under limits, you've got something called Salesforce token. And what this means is that the user that will now generate this will have a Salesforce token also in the URL. So like this is the standard URL, but now have a look. If I do view/download, you can see that the Salesforce token has been added in to the URL. This is a lot harder to hack because you have to get so many combinations right in order for this to work, and it's impossible for someone to hack this. So what you do is just that. You just check, look how long the URL is. So make sure you go to limits, and if your users are generating from Salesforce, check Salesforce token, and then it adds the token directly into the URL and it's generated new every single time. And your data will be secure, and if anybody does try to hack it, this is what will happen. Let's say I modify the URL and I hit it, they will just get this. The form is disabled. So super easy, just a one checkbox that you have to check, and from there on it will start to generate the Salesforce token within the URL as well. And this is how it's done.